Come test drive the 2017 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, Bose sound system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.